Yo, what's going on, my Veve OGs, my Omi homies, my fellow master collectors, and everybody else on YouTube? It's your bromy, the Gale, back at it again with another Veve video. Vamonos! What's happening, Veve fam? So, as you can probably tell by the thumbnail and the title of this video, my Todd Mcfarlane physical statue has finally come in. And I want to have a little conversation while I unpackage it, and then after that we will take a look at the mint number together. I have not looked at the mint number yet at the time of recording, so without further ado, let's breeze into it. So yeah, man, where to begin? As we approach my Veve anniversary on March 12th this month, I can only laugh and just. I'm amazed by how much has changed within the Veve app and, with myself as a collector. Before Veve, I only really ever collected like Pokemon cards and that's basically it. When I found the Veve app, it was almost by accident, but it wasn't an accident. It was kind of like choice and destiny almost. I did my research and whatnot, but, when I bought my first Dick Spring Joker back in March 12th, it was I don't know what the word is, but the point is I was never a collector, right? And once I started, it was like Pringles, like once you pop, the fun don't stop. Like it's addicting. Like once you buy your first NFT, once you buy your first like real collectible, it gets addicting. And ever since then, fast forward, I got like 800 NFTs on the Veve app, and now I got my first Todd Mcfarlane statue. Now the crazy part is I have very little interest in collecting physical things, physical statues, because like I see myself as, well, not really a minimalist, but I don't really care to have like a whole bunch of statues and stuff in my house. I don't like the clutter. I don't have space for it. So I really find myself gravitating towards the digital side of things. But this Todd Mcfarlane statue is different, I think. It being Veve's first, or designated as Veve's first NFT, first appearance Batman, I thought it was important for me to make a purchase of one of these. And I would like to get two. I think I'm going to get two. I opened this one up. The next one I might not open, but I just wanted to get one of these because I think it's going to be an important investment as Veve continues to grow bigger, larger, go mainstream. I think the Todd Mcfarlane, NFT as well as the physical will do pretty well in over time. So I thought it was important for me to get one of these. If anything, just to flex. There's only 5,000 of these in the world. If you didn't know. First edition, I mean, there was like a second reprint or whatever you call it, but there's only 5,000 of the first ever made, so I thought I would get me one. So that is what I have here, and it looks like I'm just about done. So let's take a look at the mint and continue the conversation. Okay, here we are. I picked up the Todd Mcfarlane statue. Here's good old Bruce Wayne Batman. I have not looked at the mint number yet. Wanted my reaction to be on camera. It's not going to be a crazy reaction. I'm not going to freak out unless I get like number one or something. But yeah, man, here we go. Let's take a look. Got a pretty high number. If you can see that, it's what was that? 4356. 4356. Not the craziest number, but yeah, a number nonetheless. So, okay, a little underwhelming, but I'll take it. I got a Todd Mcfarlane statue, 1 of 5,000. But yeah, man, to continue the conversation, I think as we continue, we're going to see more, people trying to match statues. There's a ton of DC statues that are already on the Veve app, and a lot of them have like 5,000 editions or under. And I think as Veve becomes more mainstream, they're going to try to match mint numbers, and people who own statues that people want are obviously going to be able to, actually, it could go either way. Either, you can try to convince the person to send you the NFT, or you can sell them the statue, whatever people work out, but it's going to be a thing, I think. It's already happening. It's already happened. And yeah, that's just one more way to invest. That's another piece of leverage that you can give yourself by investing in statues such as good old Todd McFarlane, and yeah, and then moreover, you know, there's gonna be NFTs and digital pairings. So I think Veve is going to be like one of the first ones to do that. I'm pretty sure there's probably other ones out there already doing it, but you know, we got the rabbit grin where you're going to have like you're going to get the digital and you're going to get the physical whenever that comes out. We've seen the Eve statue holders from the Decon. You know, only people who own the Eve from Veve can get the physical statue, so that's pretty cool. I think Matt, forgetting his last name, man, I forgot his name already, but he just dropped a weapons rack. I think he kind of hinted at doing physical and NFT pairings, so we're going to see more of this in the future, and I think that's cool. You know, it's only going to boost both physical and NFT, what's the word I'm looking for, industries. So yeah, man, I just wanted to get a Todd statue because I think it could be worth thousands in the future. The first editions, I don't know about the second editions, but I just wanted to get me one at least, just to have it, or if anything, just to flex it in my videos. You know, VVOG, you know, people who have the Todd statue are seen as like OGs or whatever. So that's why I made the purchase. I don't really care to have too many more physical statues. Like I said, I might get a second one just to keep in the box and just so I can have a duplicate. But other than that, I don't see myself buying too many other physicals unless I get like a decent spot with like a lot of space and I can have like a statue room or something. But other than that, I think my physical collecting is pretty much done. I'm gonna do all my collecting on the interwebs, aka Veve, and maybe OpenSea or whatever if something comes across appealing to me. But other than that, yeah, man, I think that's all I have to say in this video. So thanks for sticking with me, and let's move on. And that's the video, my friends. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you learned something or enjoyed the content, feel free to drop a like on the video and consider subscribing for more Veve content like this. So, yes, that was my Todd McFarlane unboxing volume 1. Hopefully you enjoyed that in the conversation. I just wanted to record that process. You know, this channel was supposed to document my NFT journey, but it has obviously translated over to the physical as well, so I wanted to capture that moment on camera. Thanks for joining. And with that, I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I say ever is financial advice because I am learning just like you guys. I am just your friendly neighborhood genius, sharing his thoughts and opinions on this wonderful app known as Veve. So take everything that you hear from me with a grain of salt because things could change. And with that being said, if you would like to follow me on the Veve app, if you scroll your eyes to the bottom left-hand corner, you will notice my Ben Simmons Spider-Man, which I have listed for 1 million gems. If you find him, you can follow me, and I will do my best to follow back. And with that, thank you again for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out and hodl strong, my friends. Oh yeah, be like water, stay liquid. Later.